Hello everyone on YouTube, welcome. It's me again. I actually just got back from Walmart. So yes, I actually do have one of my records on right now. It's Chris Stapleton. Like I said, I'm not going to be playing any records. Well, any of the records that are on the record player right now. I am going to be taking off this record because I got something to show y'all. Got some new records. Went ahead and bought some new records today just because it's pretty cool. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox them. Get them out of the package. So I'm going to put Chris Stapleton back in its... I love these things. Chris Stapleton's about the only one that has paper sleeves in it. I actually did get a record mat with one of my records, and that was pretty cool because I protect the turntable. I hope y'all can see me, but if y'all can't, it's cool because y'all will be able to see me when I come down to unbox some of these records. Just gotta slide that in. There we go. Alright, new records. Let's get cracking on these new records. There we go, and there we go. And let's go ahead and I'll show them to y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. This is the first box of records. And we're gonna grab this. Your books are in here.
Huh?
Your books.
Okay, I'll be right back and get it.
Alright, sorry about that, YouTube. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'll aim it up so I can see it. Oh, don't want to do that. There we go. I mean, it's probably just a price tag on there anyway, but there it is. Alright, let's see what we got. I know I'm spreading trash here. I'm just trying to get everything open so that way we can see what's in this record list. Alright, let's open this one, see what it is. I do gotta clean my needle. I accidentally left my record needle out, so I gotta clean that. Let's see. Oh, look at this, YouTube. Oh, wow. Sorry about that. I'm gonna pull it out. Y'all can see that. It's a nice blue, red, green, blue, RGB. Oh, it's orange on the inside. That's cool. Don't touch the vinyl. Don't touch the record grooves. I do like that. That way you got. I do like that. They're plastic sleeve covers. That way you don't have to touch the vinyl on the inside. That's pretty cool. I think that's a cool thing right there. And then we'll try and get this out of there. So I'm going to show y'all. This is actually Ray Charles. Okay. So I got Ray Charles, got something spining up on them. There it is. So this, oh wow, this is actually really cool. So this is Ray Charles, one of the Ray Charles ones. I'm not going to play it right now. This is what it looks like on the record player. It's orange, so it looks like undercolored lighting. Turn it on. So red light, this is what it looks like. We're also going to do it with the record player. So red light, that's what it looks like. Green light, that's what it looks like. And then you can see it's green. Blue light, that's what it looks like. And there it is. Now I'm going to put that record back in. And we'll get out the next one. So there we go. Yes, my clock is going off. It's 7 o'clock now. Yes, my clock is going off. I also got me some magic eraser to clean my record needle. So yeah, I also got me that. That way I can clean my record needle, because I was trying to look for my record cover. So I gotta find that again, and then I can put my record needle cover back on like I was doing. That way it doesn't get dirty. That way, I can keep my records clean. And there's that one. Go ahead and put it back in. And now we shall get out Vesicle Train. Here we go, Vesicle Train. This one's pretty cool because I'm waiting to see what's on this record. Yeah, like I said, I accidentally, I guess, I don't know where I misplaced my record needle cover, so I gotta find that again. There it is, coming off. Hopefully you can see that. And move down a little bit so I can see. I do have to throw all this away. Not the records, but I do have to throw all this trash away. Alright, here we go. Best of John Coltrane. That is cool. Now, let's open it. See what it looks like. Oh, we got the white label. That is awesome. Oh, let's flip it this way. And then, open it. Red. Oh, wow. Red, green. So red, green, and blue. Look at that. It's blue. That is awesome. So I have a blue John Coltrane record. That is awesome. And then also have the turntable mat, which I'm going to go ahead and put over the record. I actually do have a turntable mat that I got with one of my other records last night. So you can't really see much with the red and green light, but here we go. This is what it looks like with blue light, and that's it. It actually looks almost like the badge. It's about as blue as that Badger weed eater that I used to use. Let's see what it looks like with the record spinning. I'm not going to play it, but I'm going to. And that's what it looks like. There we go. It is blue. That is awesome. I do got to find my needle cover, so y'all are probably seeing this right now, thinking, hey, yes, I do need to protect my needle. I got to find my needle cover so that way I can go back to doing that again. But there it is. Those are my new records, so I got a ton of records over there now. All right, thanks for watching, and more to come later. All right, I'll see y'all here soon.